Good morning. Sally's just making a table for me so I can work on it.
Good morning.
Just taking out the woodworm, don't tell anybody. I think we'll have to go right down actually because it looks quite
Wormy, isn't it?
wormy, yeah.
You won't take off too much though.
No, don't want to take off too much, that's the thing.
No.
See what happens. Anyway, it's a nice morning, it's dry. We'll carry on working. See, that's my carpenter.
So thank you for the table we picked up last night in timber for free. So it's going to come in very handy for us down here. I'm going to use it, well, for a dining table for us when we're having our teas and coffees, or a temporary workbench. We'll see where it goes. Let's have a look through here. This is what Don's been working on the last couple of days while I've been at work. Amazing transformation. So all this cladding on Long Beach, the back of the stable blocks, is now all done. I can't believe it. So, all of it, all cladded. So we've gone for a mixture of clear to let some lighting into the stables and some fixed cement fibre roofing sheets as well. So that's the door he was been working on. I haven't even seen it yet. Yeah. All the catch is done. Threshold that we was working on Wednesday, now all done. It does close, I assume.
Slam it.
Yeah, with a slam it closes. And don't forget the wood's going to swell anyway with the changing the weather. And that's a clear plastic cladding sheet on. Lovely fit that. And then the doors are big wide doors going to go in here. So I think we're going to pop up to Exeter in a minute to go and get some decent hinges. I'll show you the door. It's a really wide door. We picked that up from Plymouth way. Oh no, the other side of the bridge. So just into Cornwall. So, oh, it's really dark in here. You probably can't see it. But that's the door there. So it's a really wide, like 3 foot wide, I think, door, which is going to be ideal. Slam the door. So that's going to go in this opening here with another door. So we're going to have 2 doors with a post in the middle, I think now is the idea, that we can take out, because obviously we need to get Alice out of her little home, temporary home, and then anything big that we've got to bring through back onto the back area here, we need to have the access, so we want to have a really wide opening. And then these are the ones that he did first. So fixed, a nuclear, bit of a nuclear. These ones that are slightly different colour, the clear ones, they were second-hand ones that we were able to pick up, which saved a fortune. We've had to buy a few new ones. Another fixed cement, second-hand ones. All the cement fibre ones are second-hand as well. So the door. Oh no, he hasn't. I thought he was taking the door off then. So door there. This bit needs cladding now. And it's all done. So everything we're trying to do here, we're trying to use reclaimed materials, free materials where we can. We obviously have to buy some new, but I really like to try and use, we both really like to try and use recycled and reclaimed materials, because it just makes a good use of a product that would otherwise just go to landfill. So that's what we're trying to do. So the things that we're having to buy new are obviously screws, all the roofing screws. We've had to buy some new clear perspex sheets for the roof and some of the back here because we've run out of the second-hand ones, and it was that balance of trying to find some more second-hand ones, which may take a very long time, or cracking on with the job. Plus the second-hand ones, you have to clean them, which is a lot of work. So it's just getting a balance right all the time. So all the doors are either marketplace, Facebook marketplace for very low cost or free. We've just, like I said, we've just picked up that table last night from Timber, which is really helpful. So it'll either go in the back here, or we'll just use it for the moment for when we're having our teas and coffee instead of the plastic one that we're using. So yeah, and there we go. Let's see what he's up to. I think he's just going to treat the table. So it's got a bit of worm in it, but he's got his own concoction of woodworm killer that he can use, treatment. And yeah, see, it's got a bit of worm, but it will soon be treated. So we finished doing the table, planing off the bottom of the legs, and I'm going to use it as a workbench. So it's really handy for that. It's a really sturdy, strong table, and the table that we were using for workbench, now using it for our teas and coffees and all of that stuff. So that's loads better. It's a better table than the plastic one we were using. And I think next plan is Don's going to take the hinges off that big wide door. So it's going to take the hinges off this. So there were some hinges on there. See those? But it's going to, we've got some better ones, stronger ones to put on. Picked those up yesterday. So that's the job for today. And I think I'm going to load up some logs for home, because we're out of logs at home now, pretty much. Nice little pile of wood for the fire. Just turn the light off in here. So this pile of wood we've moved about 3 times already. So it's got to all be cleared down because we need the space in here, but we'll just slowly start taking it back home and making a space for it at home to store it in the dry. Let's have a look what Don's up to.
Not very far really. Hello.
Taking the screws off.
Very difficult, very hard. Very, very hard indeed. It's Phillips bloody screwdriver, isn't it? I think I might have to drill them out.
Yeah.
And then drill down maybe, I don't know. I'll keep trying, keep trying. Give me another Phillips wheel on the chair. Slowly, slowly.
This is Don's pile of tools.
I may try and use a brand.
Which one?
Thanks, Elko. Just the heads are a bit bit manky.
Yeah.
That's a bit.
Right, cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
I'm going to stick the kettle on.